Okay, so as you can probably see, I'm still pretty upset about everything that's happened since I made that video yesterday. Um, I have to take some responsibility now, do you know what I mean? I've calmed down, because I was really upset yesterday, like last night. I spent most of last night like crying about it. So I didn't know what to do, to be honest, because when I made the video, my intention was not to offend anybody or to disrespect anybody. My intention was to just make people think about what I was saying. I mean, I knew that I was going to piss a couple of people off, but I knew that that's how you make people think. You have to kind of pull on their strings a bit to make them think about things, and I was ready for that. I was prepared for that. It was just the attack that came afterwards that I wasn't ready for. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think that that was the response I was going to get. But I do have to at the same time take the responsibility that if that's the reaction that I did get from people, that obviously I've offended some people with what I've said, or how I've said it, that I've upset some people with it, and that wasn't my intention. And if I have offended people, I am sorry. This is an apology, because that wasn't my intention. It was just to make you think, just to ask a few questions and just think, if we can accept that it's not working at the moment, there is something wrong at the moment with how the world is, and if we can ask questions and find out what it is, because that's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help. I'm not trying to make the situation worse and make the conflict and the fighting worse. That's not what I want to do. Do you know what I mean? And I've said some really horrible things to people in arguments now, and I've said things that I wish I hadn't said, things that I wish I could take back. Do you know what I mean? I said them because I was angry. And I'm getting very emotional about this, because this is something that is really affecting me. It's something that is coming from my heart. I'm doing this from my soul. Do you know what I mean? And so when I'm under attack, and my character and my intention and my soul is under attack, that's what I'm struggling with. I think I might have to come off Facebook for a couple of days, maybe until my court date, just so that I can let everything calm down a bit, because I think the way I'm reacting to it as well just isn't helping the situation. I'm not getting the results that I want with the tactics that I'm using and the approach I'm coming at it with. So I'm gonna put some more thought into it, and come back again with another video, because my intention is to unite everybody. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to make everybody argue and fight over whose imaginary friend is the best and whose book is right. That's not what I'm doing this for. I want us to find the truth in all of it and live by it. That's all I want. Do you know what I mean? And that's the message that I'm trying to give to people, that we can do this, but we have to ask the questions, and we have to be brave enough to face the answers to them as well, and be ready to accept whatever truth we find. And if we do it together, what we're going to leave for the future of the planet, the children and our children's children, is going to be something much more peaceful than what we're living in. Something that's not controlled, not manipulated. Because even the people that I've spoken to that were really offended by my comments about the Muslims and stuff, we got on a level about it, okay, which is fair enough, and I respect the fact that people came forward to do that. Do you know what I mean? Because I wanted to understand what I had said that was so bad. Do you know what I mean? Because in my opinion, because I hadn't brought race into it, because that's not what it's about for me. It is about genuinely the manipulation and the corruption in the belief systems, and it's not just Islam. It's every religion, and it's not just religion, because people have taken lots of different things as their religions. People have taken money and football and anything that they kind of worship. This is what people are taking as a god figure. Now, I'm not saying that I'm in a position to judge anyone, but what I am saying is I've got the opportunity now to ask the questions and to put the questions to people, and people are listening and people are answering. And although not everybody is loving what I'm doing, I am getting more love than hate. I am getting more support than I'm not. So that's what I'm going to try and focus on now, rather than trying to convince the people that don't agree with me. I'm just going to focus on the people that know what I'm saying, that are on the same page as me. We're on the same mission, and I think if we can enhance that energy together, rather than me kind of just focusing on the negative stuff, that we're gonna start achieving stuff a lot quicker, and we're gonna be able to kind of come together in things a lot more as well, rather than arguing and fighting over things, because this is what I'm trying to stop. This is what I'm trying to say has to stop. We need to find the truth in everything, guys. We need to get back to the truth. And what is the truth? God. That's what truth is. Do you know what I mean? And if that's what we're all talking about, and that's what we're all looking for, if we do it together, they can't stop us. We've got an elite group of people that are controlling everything. Do you know what I mean? And giving us this illusion of difference and conflict, and it's not really there. We're just falling for it. Do you know what I mean? And I think perhaps the way that I did that video yesterday, I didn't put enough of my background knowledge into it. People thought I just heard something and repeated it. No, I've done a lot of research into religions and into beliefs, and I know the truth in them. Do you know what I mean? And that's my message. I've found the truth now in all the religions. I know which parts are lies and which parts aren't. And I want to tell you as well. I want everyone to know, so we can all live it. Happy days. Do you know what I mean? There's no need for this illusion of conflict. So I hope you accept my apology. I hope you don't think it was my intention to upset you or to disrespect you personally. I don't know what else to say, really. I'll let you know when I've come to a decision about what I'm going to do. And then I might see some of you Friday. Otherwise, namaste.